What's going on, guys? Today I have to jump start my truck. The truck will not start. You can see we still got about a pile of snow. So I've been trying to deal with this for about 30 minutes. So I'm just trying to see if it's gonna start because now and I plug it in, but still the truck won't start. To see maybe it's gonna start, guys. So with this weather, with this cold, hopefully. Start, guys. I'm gonna wait for another 20 minutes to see it will start. Hopefully the snow can just stop, and I hope the snow stop, man. Guys, so I tried to jump start the truck yesterday with my car, but I couldn't. So I have to wait till the next day so I can get this, and hopefully this will jump start it. Even though I have the truck plugged in, see, but the battery is still dead. So I don't know if the blocker is working or not, but I was just surprised that, So guys, I'm gonna use this now. Hopefully this will jump start it. Hopefully. Guys, you can see, hopefully this will jump start it, guys. Hopefully. Couple of minutes, and I'll see. Right now I'll see the voltage I'm getting. So I have 40 amps. I have that's about 12 volts, but the battery still won't start. So I'm just gonna leave it a couple of minutes and hopefully start.